Hey guys, welcome to Top Express Reviews. In this video, I'll show you the top 5 best swing chairs for newborns, selected for their little ones to relax and sleep peacefully while giving parents a moment of calm and confidence every day. All the products mentioned are linked in the description below. All right, let's get started. Number 1. LIUSHADUOLA Movable Swing Chair. The LIUSHADUOLA Movable Swing Chair is a thoughtfully designed baby crib that combines versatility, comfort, and practicality for modern parents. Designed as a portable splicing cradle bed, this model easily attaches to the bedside, allowing mothers to keep their newborn close throughout the night. The foldable and height-adjustable structure makes it especially convenient for different bed heights, ensuring a seamless and secure fit. Its movable design allows parents to relocate the crib from bedroom to living area without hassle, making daytime naps just as convenient as nighttime sleep. Assembly is required, but the process is straightforward and manageable with basic tools. The frame feels stable once set up, offering reassurance for parents concerned about safety. With no high concern chemicals used in its materials, the crib prioritizes baby-friendly construction. The swing function provides gentle rocking, helping soothe infants into restful sleep without constant manual effort. The foldable feature is particularly useful for families with limited space or those who travel frequently. When not in use, it can be stored compactly, reducing clutter. The breathable side panels enhance airflow, which is important for newborn comfort. Number 2. Cradle S-C901 Swing Chair. The Cradle S-C901 Swing Chair is an electric baby cradle designed to make parenting more manageable, especially for mothers who struggle with soothing a restless infant. This swing crib stands out with its automatic rocking system, which mimics natural motion to calm babies and encourage sleep. Equipped with 5 adjustable swing gears, it allows parents to select the most suitable speed for their child's comfort. One of the most attractive features of the SC901 is its multifunctionality. It includes a built-in timer, Bluetooth music capability, a soft mat, and a pillow for added comfort. The timer helps parents set rocking durations, giving them the freedom to focus on other tasks while the cradle gently swings. The Bluetooth function allows personalized lullabies or soothing sounds to play, creating a peaceful sleep environment. Safety and material quality are also key highlights. The sturdy frame provides reliable stability during operation, and the cradle is designed to maintain balance even at higher swing settings. Number 3. CatXaa Giraffe Swing Chair. The CatXaa Giraffe Swing Chair is a playful and engaging indoor swing designed for children aged 3 to 12 years. Unlike traditional baby cradles, this product focuses more on entertainment and active play. Featuring a charming cartoon giraffe design, it instantly captures children's attention and adds a cheerful touch to any indoor space. Made primarily from durable plastic, the swing is lightweight yet sturdy enough for everyday use. Its sling-style seat provides a comfortable sitting position while encouraging balance and coordination. As children swing gently, they engage core muscles and develop motor skills, making it both a fun and beneficial activity. The sports feature classification reflects its role in promoting active indoor recreation rather than passive seating. Installation is generally simple, though it requires secure mounting for safety. Parents should ensure it is properly hung to avoid accidents. Once installed correctly, the swing offers stable support and smooth motion. The bright giraffe design not only serves aesthetic appeal, but also stimulates imagination and creative play. Number 4. Fortus AL601 Swing Chair. The Fortus AL601 Swing Chair is a modern electric baby cradle designed with comfort and soothing functionality in mind. Marketed as a 2026 modern electric child cradle bed, this model emphasizes gentle rocking motion to calm newborns effectively. Its sleek design reflects contemporary nursery trends while focusing on practical features that support infant sleep. This cradle operates with an electric rocking mechanism, reducing the need for constant manual soothing. The smooth and consistent motion helps lull babies into restful sleep, especially during fussy periods. Its construction prioritizes stability, ensuring that even during continuous rocking, the base remains secure and balanced. Comfort is another important aspect of the Fortus AL601. The interior sleeping area is designed to cradle the baby safely while offering soft support. The materials used appear durable and appropriate for long-term use. parents will appreciate the thoughtful design aimed at simplifying daily routines. Although specific technical details are limited, the product presents itself as a modern, user-friendly option. It is ideal for families seeking a stylish yet functional cradle that fits contemporary home decor.
Number 5. Infant Bluetooth Swing Chair. The Infant Bluetooth Swing Chair is a feature-rich electric cradle designed for babies from 0 to 18 months. With a maximum load-bearing capacity of 25 kilograms, it offers extended usability compared to many standard infant swings. Constructed from ABS, steel, Oxford cloth, peach skin velvet, nylon, and mesh, the materials provide both durability and comfort. The baking paint surface treatment enhances its overall finish and longevity. This swing chair stands out with its dual control system, allowing operation through manual buttons or a remote control within a 5-meter range. The remote requires a 2025 button cell battery, which is not included. Parents can choose from 5 adjustable swing amplitude gears, customizing the motion to match their baby's preference. The built-in timing function offers settings of 8, 15, 30, and 60 minutes, adding convenience and flexibility. And that wraps up the top 5 best swing chair for newborn. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe to Top Express Reviews, and turn on notifications so you never miss new content. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.